Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers size chart widget to your WordPress website. A size chart widget helps visitors check measurements more easily, which is especially useful for products like clothing, shoes, or accessories. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Then click on Websites. After that, click on Add New Website and enter your WordPress website link. Once you've added the link, click on Add Website. Next, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the Plugins section, search for the Popper plugin, then install and activate it. After activation, click on Popper from the left sidebar. Then check your email and click on Save Account Email. Now go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets, and after that, click Create New Widget. Now search for Size Chart in the widget library and open it. Once the widget editor opens, you'll see the preview on the right side and the settings on the left side. In the Data tab, you can select different templates. You can change the title and subtitle in the header section. In the footer section, you can also update the disclaimer text. In the measurement table, you can edit the table values and add new rows as needed. Next, go to the Templates tab. Here, you can choose different template styles. Then go to the Trigger Button section. Here you can change the button text and icon and also upload a custom icon. Next, open the Style tab. In Appearance, you can change the primary color and typography. In Configuration, you can enable or disable the Show Toggle Unit option. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, the installation code will appear. Copy the code and go to your WordPress site editor. Now add a custom HTML block, paste the code inside it, and save your changes. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.